In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write an article on LinkedIn if you want to share your expertise, build credibility, and reach a professional audience. LinkedIn articles are a great format to use. Unlike a short post, an article gives you more space to explain ideas in depth, organize your thoughts clearly, and create content that can continue bringing value over time. Let's walk through the process from start to finish. First, go to your LinkedIn feed. Right below the starter post box, you'll see the option that says Write Article. Click that to open LinkedIn's article editor. This is where you'll create and format the full piece. If you manage a company page, LinkedIn may ask you to choose which account you want to publish from. You can either publish as yourself or as your business. Pick the option that makes the most sense for your goal. If you're building your personal brand, publish from your own profile. If the content is meant to represent your business, choose the company page instead. Next, add a cover image. Upload a high-quality photo that fits well and looks professional. A recommended size is 1920 by 1080 pixels. This image matters because it helps your article stand out and makes a strong first impression when people see it in their feed. Choose something relevant to the topic and clear enough to look good on both desktop and mobile. After that, create your title. Write a headline that is catchy, clear, and SEO-friendly so it's easier for people to find and more likely to get clicked. A good target is around 40 to 49 characters for strong visibility. Keep it specific and benefit-driven so readers immediately understand what the article is about. Now it's time to write and format your article. You can either draft the content directly inside LinkedIn or paste in content you've already prepared. Use the built-in toolbar to make your article easier to read. Add headings to break up sections, use bold or italic text to highlight important points, and insert links when you want to direct readers to helpful resources. Clean formatting makes a big difference, especially for longer articles. Once everything looks good, click Publish in the top right corner. Before sharing, add a short introductory caption to give people a reason to click. Then include 3 to 5 relevant hashtags to help the article reach the right audience. Finally, share it with your network so it gets immediate visibility. That's how to write and publish an article on LinkedIn in a clear, professional way.